Amplifier placement is crucial to your system, but space can be a problem for a lot of you when trying to plan out your install. Ideally, you want it tucked away somewhere you won't see, but you also need plenty of space around it for both the connections and for heat dissipation. Let's say you have a smaller car, just want a little power, or ride a motorcycle. How do you install an amplifier? Generally, they take up a lot of space. Soundstream has a solution, the ST1.1000D Stealth Series Class D Monoblock Amplifier. This micro amplifier has dimensions of 7 3/4 inches in length, 1.5 inches in height, and 3 inches in depth. Soundstream designed this amp to be easily hidden, hence the name Stealth, like a ninja. Plus, it only weighs 1.5 pounds. It has minimal power requirements, an ultra micro footprint, and great sound quality. Ideal places to mount this are under the car seats, mounted underneath the rear deck, behind the radio in the dash, or even on your motorcycle, boat, or off-road ATV. It's about the size of a typical factory amp, so it'll fit just about anywhere, but it brings a lot more power than those OEM bricks. The ST1 is ideal for a subwoofer, or even 2 subs parallel. The ST1 is Class D, so it's efficient and runs cool. Soundstream claims this mini monoblock amp does 350 watts RMS at 4 ohms, and 500 watts RMS at 2 ohms. We won't even address the 1000 peak power claim though. Let's run some tests. We set the amplifier up with a 4 ohm dummy load, single channel driven, 14.4 volts, and a 40 Hz test tone. We're going to use a function generator during our tests. The blue line is referencing the signal coming from the function generator. Our signal, the yellow line, will be from the amp. We'll be able to see the distortion between the 2 waves together. Our SMD multimeter picked up 223 watts RMS pre-clipping. And our oscilloscope read 32 volts output. The amp consumed 310 watts of power and had a current of about 21 amps. We then tested the amplifier with a 2 ohm dummy load, single channel driven, 14.4 volts, and a 40 Hz test tone. We read 337 watts RMS pre-clipping on our SMD and a 27.5 volt output on our oscilloscope. The amp consumed 473 watts of power and had a current of about 33 amps. Our tests came up a little short of what Soundstream claims, but it's hard to complain about a monoblock amplifier the size of your shoe putting out 337 watts RMS at 2 ohms. This thing is still a beast. Aesthetically, they could have made this amplifier look a little better, but this amp isn't meant to be seen, so the bumper sticker look is fine with us. Soundstream made this amplifier really easy to install and comes with everything you would need. Included are 2 quick disconnect harnesses, one for high speaker level and one for low level inputs for the signal from the source. Built in are high-level or low-level RCA inputs. The body of the amplifier features adjustable audio settings, including variable 12 decibel low-pass and subsonic crossovers, and a 12 decibel bass boost. The amp comes with a remote bass control to mount up front for adjusting levels on the fly. The audio input has Signal Sense remote turn-on, so you can use it with factory aftermarket head unit, where a remote turn-on signal is difficult to find. The amplifier was designed with a hybrid aluminum alloy heatsink for optimum heat dissipation. Direct short, thermal, and overload circuits protect the amplifier from damage. The Soundstream ST1.1000D is simple, compact, and can flex. Get yours with us at qualitymobilevideo.com, plus the rest of your car audio and video needs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're new, like this video, join the conversation below, and turn on your video notifications. Thanks for watching.